Asadha Shukla Budhashtami, Durgashtami. Asadha Shukla Budhastami, also known as Durgastami, the Shukla Paksha Astami, 8th lunar day, of the month of Asadha when it falls on a Wednesday, Budhavara, carries combined significance from three powerful elements. 1. Astami Tithi, the power of the Devi. Astami Tithi is traditionally dedicated to goddess Durga, especially Mahagauri, symbolizing purity, strength, and transformation. It is the most potent lunar phase for Shakti sadhana, mantras, and vrats connected to Devi worship. Durgastami, though widely known during Navratri, occurs every lunar month, and each holds unique seasonal and spiritual energy. Though Asadha month start of Chaturmasya and internal discipline. Asadha is the gateway to Chaturmasya, the 4 holy months of spiritual penance and dietary discipline. Asadha Shukla Astami is a threshold point for worshipping goddess Durga to remove inner impurities, especially emotional and energetic toxins. Worship during Asadha strengthens the mind before the intense inward journey of the rainy season. 3. Budhastami, Mercury's grace on Astami. When Astami falls on a Wednesday, it is called Budhastami, combining the intellect, Buddha, Mercury, with Shakti, Devi. Mercury governs speech, intellect, communication, and analysis. Devi governs intuition, inner strength, and clarity. Budhastami is believed to sharpen wisdom, bring balance between logic and intuition, and is ideal for children's education-related rituals. Mantra sadhana, cleansing mental confusion. Rituals and observances. Durga Saptashti Path, recitation of Chandi or Devi Mahatmya. Upavasa, fasting, especially observed by women for strength, harmony, and protection. Worship of Ashta Durgas. Some traditions invoke 8 forms of Devi on Astami. Feeding young girls, Kanya Puja, especially auspicious if done on Budhastami. Lighting deeper in mustard oil or ghee, symbol of dispelling darkness of the inner self. Naivedyam ideas for Durgastami in Asadha. Sattvic sweet dishes, Rava Kesari, Jaggery Poha, sweet pongal. Laukik or Vrat friendly offerings, roasted chana, coconut laddu, sabudana dishes. Use red cloth, hibiscus flowers, betel leaves, and kumkum in the puja. Why is Asadha Shukla Budhastami special? It bridges the solar power of Vivaswat Saptami with the lunar Shakti of Astami, offering a day of intellectual clarity, purification, and spiritual readiness. Especially potent if observed with Devi mantras and Buddha Gayatri mantra, Om Buddhaya Namah, Om Em Harim Kleem Chamundai Vichche.